Ever wonder what backup essentials you need in the event of an oncoming disaster? Instead of having to prepare things separately, you can simply get yourself a survival kit that will help keep you and the people in your household safe for as many days as needed. If you happen to live in areas that are prone to dangers such as forest fires, storms, or even hurricanes, it's important to have something in case of any kind of emergency. Depending on how many members live in a household, be it a family or merely a couple, you'll want to have a survival kit that's enough for everyone. And if you're shopping around for one, you're just in the right place. We've got the 5 best survival kits that are ideal for you, so stick around to learn more. Welcome to Review Nerds YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing some cool products for you that you might enjoy. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we upload a new video. Also, please like this video and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Why should I get a survival kit? No matter where you live, there will always be dangers or situations that may force you to stay inside your home or relocate to another shelter. Having a survival kit is important enough to supply all the important essentials for you and your family. Plus, it's always ready to use. There may also be situations where you can't bring all of your belongings with you, so it's important enough to get yourself your very own survival kit. We've found a list of the top 5 survival kits that you should definitely have. If you happen to find yourself having interest in any of them, you can definitely check out more information and how you can buy them by visiting their links located in the description below. So let's start off this list right away with number 1, Ready America Elite Emergency Bag. This survival kit here can only sustain one person for up to 72 hours or 3 days. Recommended by the American Red Cross, it includes a hygiene kit, mask, thermometer, survival blankets, as well as ponchos. Additionally, it comes with 33-piece first aid essentials for minor injuries, including bandages and wound cleaning solution. Furthermore, it even comes with one survival food bar that contains 600 calories with a 5-year shelf life, along with water purification tablets and a water bottle. All of these will be stored in the backpack that this survival kit comes with, but some reviews say that the backpack may not look as durable by the way it looks. So if you happen to have a more durable bag that will store the survival kit, that can definitely work too. Number 2. 12 Survivors Paracord Survival Pod. If you want something more compact, you can check out this Paracord Survival Pod. While it does appear to be more compact than other survival kits, it includes plenty of essentials for a pocket-sized kit. It currently offers the basic tools necessary to start a fire and fish for food, including more than 30 feet of fishing line, 2 hooks, floats, swivels, and weights, alcohol pad, a fire starter, knife blade, tin foil, as well as 7 feet of paracord. If you're into fishing or familiar with camping environments outside of home, this survival kit could be ideal for you. You can even hook it anywhere with its very own keychain. Take note that the kit is fully wrapped with a paracord, so you'll have to unravel and wrap it up again however you want when storing these items in a very compact place. Number 3. The Ready America 3000 Survival Box. If you want something simple but also affordable to buy, check this one out. Approved by the US Coast Guard, this survival kit comes in a medium-sized box and comes with all the basic necessities you'll need that can help you survive up to 3 days. It includes a lightweight blanket that can double as a rain poncho or shelter, 6 sealed water pouches, and 1 food bar that contains 2,400 calories and can be stored on a shelf for up to 5 years. This is ideal for those who want to prepare for any disaster such as earthquakes, fires, and even hurricanes. The survival box is good for one person, so with a low price, you can buy plenty enough for you and your family if you only just want the basics that can last you for just a few days. But before we continue, if you like the products that we have featured so far, please don't hesitate to check out the links for those products just below in the description, where you'll find more information about each of these products and where you can purchase them online. We've still got a few more products to show you that are highly recommended, so stay with us until the end before you decide which one you're eyeing on. Now let's continue with number 4, Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit. This survival kit is more focused on medical emergencies, as it includes more than 100 of first aid supplies, along with 9 high-quality survival essentials including a premium knife, multifunctional paracord bracelet, and an emergency flashlight. The kit comes in a 600D polyester bag that can expand into plenty of compartments when opened. You'll find each of the essentials labeled so that you won't have a hard time looking for the items that you need. The medical supplies include various bandages, 6-inch shears, tweezers, cotton gauze, and cotton ear swabs, safety pins, splinter removal probes, cotton balls, personal laminate baggies, and nitrile gloves that are located in the CPR pouch. The Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit is ideal for those into hiking or hunting, and definitely great for emergencies and disasters as well. You'll definitely be over-prepared for any medical situation that may arise in the future. So if you need some first aid essentials that you want to save on for the future, definitely go for this kit. And lastly, number 5, Sustain Supply Co. Premium Emergency Survival Backpack. This 72-hour survival kit comes with the most critical and essential emergency kit to have with all the supplies, gear, nutrition, as well as water all stored in a backpack. This kit is ideal for up to 2 people instead of just 1. The essential items include 12 non-perishable food servings with bowls and utensils, 2 water bottles, 2 water filtration straws, 4 Siloam snap lights, 2 fire starters, whistles, LED lantern, first aid kit, portable stove, knife, and a ferrocerium rod. Overall, for a premium price, you can get basically everything you need in preparation for any disaster or emergency if ever you need to leave your home or stay inside a shelter. Whether you need it for any disaster or emergency that may force you out of your own home or stay inside for a certain amount of time, a survival kit is definitely important to have around should anything happen that may last a few days or more. These survival kits that we featured offer a variety of survival essentials that are suitable for anyone's needs. Depending on your preferences and essential needs, this list of the 5 best survival kits to have in your home shouldn't go unnoticed. So which one are you going for? Which one would definitely be your favorite? If you're definitely interested, you can check out the links for each product that was featured throughout this video just right below in the description, where you'll find more information and how you can buy them online. And that's it for today's video. If you stay this long, consider subscribing to Review Nerds and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. Please like this video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.